Hello everyone. I had another video planned for this week, but I went to an estate sale today and picked up a whole bunch of stuff. So I thought I would do this first. So this will be an estate sale haul. I got some pretty interesting stuff, I think. And let's just open the boxes and see what we got. Well, first we have this little fellow. Kind of a beat up little toolbox. Not much rough, very dense though. It's a lot of sockets. This is a Craftsman. Pretty nice little socket, I think. No, it's a Stanley, beg your pardon. Stanley, Taiwan. I think there's a Craftsman in here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Kind of nice. Forged in USA. 43784. Alright, tell you what. Let me empty all this stuff out, go through it, and we'll see what we got. Okay, I've got these sorted into piles now. And I'm sure not going to go through each of them individually. There's around between probably 65 to 70 no name in Taiwan, and some that are so rusty I can't read anything on them. But these are no names, I think. These are various things with various markings. Duralast. There's something called CRV Taiwan, which I'm not familiar with, but I'll bet some of you guys are. Several of those. And what else? Duralast. Several of those. CRV Taiwan. These are sockets with names on them. This is a Proto Challenger. Thorson. What have we here? Great Neck. Cobalt. Thorson. SK. And there's an SK Wayne in there somewhere. SK Wayne. There it is. These are all Craftsman, made in USA. And we have a Stanley 765-709. Looks brand new. Stanley Taiwan. Nice. Here is a Craftsman 43784, forged in USA. It's got the double lines. Seems to work great.
probably could use a little grease in there. This is a swivel 1/4 inch drive Pittsburgh, which I don't have one of these. Might be useful. Who knows? This is a no-name nut driver. So, not sure what I'm going to do with this stuff. I'm going to separate it out, put it in baggies or something, and I don't know. Not sure. Maybe I'll send it along to somebody who might want the stuff. I don't know. Might keep some of it. I might want to use this. The Craftsman, I think I might keep. So, I don't know. I don't know why I buy all this stuff. It's a sickness. You guys understand, I'm sure. I think I may have had the sound off when I initially recorded my first look at this Craftsman toolbox, so I'm going to do this again. This box was empty when I picked it out. I just really thought it was cool. With the Craftsman badge on here, it's in reasonably good condition. I think it'll clean up. There's a little rust here. I think I can clean that up. I can't tell if that's all the way through or not. Nevertheless, I think it'll clean up. What do we have here? A magnet. All right. So, there's the color. I can't tell if that's, I think it's just a lot of grime on there. And you can see the original color here. So I think maybe that'll clean up with some steel wool or Scotch-Brite and maybe a coat of paint. We shall see, but I really like the way it looks. So there you have the toolbox. Okay, I picked these items out, individual items. This estate sale was really interesting. I think maybe the guy was a high-ranking military officer. He had all kinds of military stuff. A whole bunch, and I mean a bunch, of pew-pews. The garage, detached garage, was just completely full of tools. I might even go back again today. But gosh, I just, I don't know why I keep buying this stuff. But anyway, I picked these out. Packing tape, 50 cents a piece. And it was 25% off yesterday. So here's a little scraping tool. I'm not quite sure what it is for. Looks like maybe a scoring tool sometime. A little advertising screwdriver. Here's a Stanley USA Phillips Stanley 64-864 USA. Looks like it maybe never has been used. Here's a Craftsman Phillips Got a little bit of mange, but I think maybe it's not too far gone. I think that'll clean up. A Master Mechanic 445343. It's a screw holding Phillips. I just thought the handle was really cool, so I picked it up. Here's a Husky folding utility knife, which I think will clean up quite nicely. I like these folding ones. This is a divider. It says Malco divider, number 18 divider, Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA. And I'm not exactly sure how to get this apart, but I think it will clean up and really be nice looking. I'll have to see if I can figure out how that works. Maybe it doesn't come apart, I don't know. But anyway, I love stuff like this, so I'm going to clean it up and use it probably. So that was what I picked out to put in the Craftsman toolbox. And last but not least, and I haven't really looked at this yet, but I just thought it was so cool, I just had to have it. Check this out. Can I get it all in frame there? Not sure. It is a fishing outfit with some little bass poppers or flies, whatever you want to call them. Wow, look here. Tapered leader. There's a fly reel. Fly line, back there's some fly line. A spinning reel. Shakespeare LX series. I just think this is awfully cool. Now I probably won't be able to get it back in there. Anyway, the rod I have not taken out. I don't know if it's broken or what. Looks to be intact. I'm not going to put it together right now, but I think it's all there. There's the handle down here. I like it. I don't do much fishing anymore, but I have some family members who do, so if I don't use it, I bet we'll find a home for it. Anyway, there you go.
That's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed going to that estate sale. I might go back. I think the Craftsman toolbox is going to be a fun cleanup. The dividers, I think, will clean up nicely. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like any of that stuff. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.